If you've got a passion for computer vision at the edge or in the cloud, don't miss the 2018 Embedded Vision Summit. This week we tell you about the premier event for people who are bringing visual intelligence to products. I'm Stephanie Essen. This is IDZ Weekly. Running from May 21st to May 24th, 2018 Embedded Vision Summit in Santa Clara, California will include keynotes from renowned innovators, expert presentations on practical vision techniques, technologies, and tools, case studies examining leading-edge vision-based systems and applications, hands-on, in-depth workshops, unique insights into market drivers, business models, and investment trends, and hundreds of demos of processors, sensors, algorithms, and systems. For details and updates, including keynote and conference session speakers, presentation topics, and exhibitors, visit the links provided. Thanks for watching IDZ Weekly. See you next Monday.